Hey guys, this is AJ with Everyday Patio again. Here we're going to be showing you an Elitewood non-insulated patio cover build. So we kind of did this over the course of one day, and there's 3 steel posts and a beam in it. The patio is a 32 foot wide by 12 foot projection. You can see here as we're putting up the hanging channel and sealing it, kind of the steps are going through. Brian's sealing the hanging channel, one of the most important parts. Here we're putting on the gasket to make sure that rain doesn't come in via the non-insulated roof. That's applied in the hanging channel. Now I'm putting on the flashing, which is kind of like our second layer of defense against rain, or technically third if you include the gasket. So the flashing gets put up, I kind of tack it in there before I put on all the pans that are going to be kind of part of the roof. And then we seal the top of the flashing. So that's your 2-part layer at the top and then your gasket in the middle. Brian's putting the steel on the posts. Here we're leveling it off. I'm using the material to level it off because I trust it more than a lot of other stuff that we could use. Now we're leveling off the left side. Here I'm grinding down the post to the height that I determined to be the right height. And yeah, now we're gonna kind of flip over the beam. This is how I generally build the patio covers. I attach the posts, cut them to size, flip the beam, and then I strut the patio cover so it doesn't move in the wind. Here I had Brian hold it, and then you see how I kind of strutted it at each side and at the middle and made sure the overhang was the same throughout the entire thing. And now we're putting on the roof. So by this point it goes pretty quickly as long as you've lined everything up properly. We're sealing the patio cover as we go. I'm putting more screws in that flashing that I put on top and then sealing it also. So that's us done with the roof. Here's Brian doing the side plates, and these are just kind of the same little steps we go through on every patio cover. Like every patio cover is a little bit different, but at the end of the day, it's all kind of the same. So when you've built hundreds of these like we have, if not thousands, you kind of get into a routine. Brian and I've been training for about 2 years now, and you can kind of see it moves fluidly because we both know what the next step is. I'm checking level to make sure water drainage is right. He's cutting part of the gutter off to make sure it's a nice tight fit for the customer. And here, that's the roof up. That's kind of like a preliminary walkthrough before we're done with the side plates and everything and putting on the gutter. Now you can see the gutter's up and where we kind of spliced the seam. Right now you can see it. By the time we were done putting the wrap kit on each side, it's gonna be done. The customer's checking it out, making sure he likes it. He does. So now we have the wrap kit tacked up, and it's time to move on to putting in the red heads, which are anchors to hold the ground down, the patio cover down. This gives it 110 to 130 mile per hour wind rating. Some areas need steel embedded in footings, but that's to be determined when we get out to your house. And then this is the patio cover done. It's a nice, simple 32 foot by 12 foot patio cover, no electrical, in and out in a day. And it looks great, and it comes with a 30-year warranty. So I was glad to do this job. I was thankful for the opportunity. And if you guys are looking for anything similar to this or have any questions about like how we did the build or what are their color options or whatever, just let us know and we'll move from there. Thank you for your time, and I hope you have a good day.